Having a road race right there. There's a slide right there. It's gonna go. Okay. Toss right there. Marcus playing again. Mark.
Now what is this? Mom? Dad, let's do this. Turn on.
Mark, you need to keep playing. Okay?
Wow!
Mark, go ahead and keep loading the car. Slide it. That's how you play. Okay? You need to roll it. Come on. Time to play. Things we never got over when we were a little boy. All of this. Mark, you didn't need to close it. All you need to do is just keep on loading it and slide it. Okay. It's supposed to be loaded on the slider, but we cannot load it what we want.
Dad can keep loading like this.
Mark wants to make it
You can make it tight.
Right now I'm here on the top. Mark, keep loading. Okay? We'll do it. Loading the place. Okay? To make sure that the cameras are in. That's how you play? You're supposed to slide it because it's better when you slide it. Slide. Bar.
I can do this.
Okay?
This next car.
You're supposed to slide.
Oh! How about this SpongeBob? This is SpongeBob. Wee! Wow! Wee!
Relax camera, action. Keep sliding, boy. Okay? We're tired of the old one. You didn't even slide it before. Time to do your part. Slide them.
Wow!
Okay? Be waiting on everything.
your mother. Ask her. Slide.
Mark, please. This one is a different work project, okay? Matthew, please.
Oh, let me press the button. Let me press the button. Yeah.